Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. If log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771, then the number of integers in 6 power 15 is asked to you. So guys, these are the sums based upon characteristic and Mantissa concept. You might be remembering. If I want to know the number of digits in 6 power 15, I would have to take log of that number. Let us assume n is equal to 6 power 15. So log of n base 10 has to be taken by me. So that will be becoming what? Log of 6 power 15 base 10. Now my dear students, converse of power rule we are knowing that 15 will be coming in front of it. So it will be written like 15 times of log of 6 base 10. Then 15 times of log of 2 multiplied by 3 base 10 it will be becoming. Then 15 times of log of 2 base 10 plus log of 3 base 10 it will be becoming. Log of 2 base 10 is what we are knowing, 0.3010 we are knowing. And log of 3 base 10 what we are knowing, 0.4771 we are knowing. .7781 multiplied by 15 it will be becoming. Now guys, to proceed further, we will be going to do what? Multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. 30 by 2 multiplied by 0.7781. So finally we are going to get like 7.781 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So 3, 24, 23, 23. And point will be over here. So we'll be going to get what? 1.6715 approximately. So that will be becoming what? Characteristic as 11 and Manticide 0.6715. So guys, if characteristic of capital N, log of capital N is small n, then number of digits in capital N will be becoming n plus 1. That means n plus 1 is equal to 12 digits are there in capital N. And what is capital N we are knowing, my dear students? That is 6 to the power 15 you are knowing. Now let's see what is the next question given to us. The number of zeros immediately after the decimal point in 3 to the power minus 100 is asked to you. So guys, for that also you would have to compute the log of given number. So what will be written by me? Log of n base 10 is equal to log of 3 to the power minus 100 base 10. That will be becoming log of n base 10 is equal to minus 100 multiplied by log of 3 base 10. And log of 3 base 10 is 0.4771. So minus 100 multiplied by 0.4771. So that will be becoming what? Minus times of 47.71. So that can be written by me as minus 48, because Mantissa is always in between 0 and 1. So we'll be going to write like 0.29 minus 48 plus 0.29. So guys, here I got characteristic as minus n. Whenever we have characteristic as minus n, so n minus 1 digits will be there immediately after the n minus 1 zeros will be there immediately after the decimal point in decimal expansion of capital N. That means 47 zeros will be there. 47 zeros will be there immediately after decimal point. Immediately after decimal point in decimal expansion of 3 to the power minus 100. Hope you guys would have got my point. Thanks for watching, my dear students.